Hi, I'm Hannah. Welcome to my kitchen. Um, Natural versus organic. I have never shopped organic. I think mostly just because being a college student, I cannot afford organic. There are some things that just because I've had experience with in the past that I do get. For example, my honey, my family lives on a farm and we have a hive, so I always have gotten my honey from there. I know where it comes from. I know what the bees are feeding on. I'm the one that goes and scrapes the honey off. So I know that it's well produced. I know that it's safe, yada yada. Um I think before, even if I had bought something organic, I think I was buying it more just because there was a stigma of this is better for you, not necessarily what I think now and how it's more important how it's produced. My boyfriend's family, they are dairy farmers, and when asking them what the difference was between organic milk and how they produce their milk, it really wasn't different at all. It was only the standards that were put together to be able to classify their dairy as organic. It was a huge ordeal. It wasn't worth them doing it. And the conventional farmers, from my experience and what he said, the conventional farmers are basically the exact same, especially in terms of antibiotics. They explained to me the process and how it really isn't different. You're not getting antibiotics in your milk with their farm, which is a conventional farm. When there is a cow that needs to go on antibiotics, they're completely separated from the herd. They are tested, they are milked twice a day in a different facility. And then once their milk is completely antibiotic free, they still wait a week and then that cow is allowed back in. So I have had that experience. I didn't think when going through my pantry that I would have any organic food because I don't usually shop for it. However, I did find a few things. First of all, from Whole Foods, organic orange juice. I bought this before our discussion, so I don't know why I bought it because I normally wouldn't. And this, I think honestly why I bought it is because I was at Whole Foods with my friend and the packaging was cool. It said organic on it, which before this discussion I was like, oh, that's better for you, that's more sustainable, or that's whatever. And then our topics definitely back that up, that what all is being put into classifying a product as organic. And then another thing that I found was organic crunchy rice rollers. These are actually my roommate's. She buys a few organic things, and I don't think that she actually knows what is classifying as organic. I think that she thinks more on the lines of how I did before this discussion of they're better for you, they're more nutrient, they're better sustained, which wasn't the case. So now it's making me really question, like, when I do buy something organic, is it really up to the standards that I think it should be, or I think that that farm should be living by?